Hello everyone, today we are comparing the Nokia 130 Music and 150 Music mobiles. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Both two mobiles come with the same size and IP54 rating. Next compare display features. They offer 2.4 inches TN TFT LCD display. Memory features. When it comes to the camera features, Nokia 150 Music comes with VGA camera. Let's compare the battery features. Both two phones come with the same battery capacities. Next compare the sound features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.